Contestants, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Contestants.
Cigarette kills you slowly, it ain't good for you. You only call me when you got that stress in you. Girl, you might regret facing up on me.
Hello everybody, welcome to The Bond, where we have something super exciting for you guys today. A battle for legendary status amongst two identical twins, Amit and Ankit. Did I get there?
No, Amit.
Sorry. So, the rules are very simple. You've been briefed earlier, okay? You're gonna go in a match of rock, paper, scissors. And then, each of you, the winner, will get to choose between cloth A over here or cloth B over there. Now, each of you will have access to one spatula, one mini saucepan, one pink spoon. Come over here, guys. Don't be camera shy. Yeah. One pink spoon and one big saucepan.
Yeah.
Everything you have to cook must be done over this stove over here. Additionally, each of you, without quarreling, must get access to some salt, paprika, Szechuan orange sauce, some tomato ketchup, Tabasco, and water. Additionally, you can use a blender and a water heater as you use. The rules are very simple. You have exactly 15 minutes from when I say go to start cooking your dish, and whatever you cook must be present on this plate that you have within those 15 minutes. Anything not on that plate will be instantly disqualified. The loser of this challenge will not only lose legendary status, but the winner will be able to blend a smoothie to this jug over here that the loser must drink, and will be made an idiot sandwich, Gordon Ramsay style. Okay, without wasting much time, rock, paper, scissors. Identical twin. So Amit has won. Do you choose cloth A or cloth B?
I choose this one.
Good. Get behind your cloth. Don't open yours yet. As the winner, we get to see your ingredients first, and you get to think a bit more. So you have 2 slices of bread, a pack of instant noodles, some butter, some popcorn, some wasabi, and some potato chips. Cool?
Cool.
Let's go and see what our bro here. You lost the rock, paper, scissors, but will you lose the challenge?
No.
Okay, cool. Some milk, olive oil, some weird sauce that I have no clue what it is, some pasta, 2 slices of bread, and some cheese. Okay? Now both of you stand over here. Stand over here right next to me. 3, 2, 1, go! So, sorry to disturb you for a second. What strategy do you have going on with the ingredients you have over here?
First I'm going to boil the noodles, then I'll make something with the bread.
Good at it.
Yeah.
Let's see if you impress more than you just told me. Hey bro, just ask your brother. Strategy?
I just boil some pasta, then I don't know.
Okay. This seems intense.
It's a
The guys
surprise.
are out to cooking, but let's see how it goes. Wow. As you guys can see, the 2 contestants are heavily at it. None of them are taking a break. They're like grinding for legendary status as brothers. They're just mixing some stuff. Oh, so we just got the thing didn't fit. Yeah, sure.
I will choose.
Yeah, sure.
I want some cheese, boys.
I think like this just cover it.
I want some cheese.
Some cheese.
Yeah.
Are you willing to share some cheese, bro?
No, let it loose.
Here, use some Szechuan soy sauce, some Szechuan orange sauce instead. Okay. I'm helping whoever popped the popcorn because he's a pussy.
Why are you pointing the camera?
Okay, anyways, bro, you have some magnificent. Okay, guys, it's done.
Take popcorn in my pocket, bro.
Okay, so his popcorn has been popped. Bro, I think this popcorn is good enough for whoever wants the popcorn. Cause I'm a legend. I can do everything, including popping the popcorn. That's how it is.
Look at my pasta, you get some popcorn. Look at this popcorn over here. Yo, I stole some cheese. I'm gonna tell you. There's some popcorn over here. Wow.
That was legendary.
Yeah. May I get extra bowl to remove the extra popcorn? Look at this, there's popcorn in my pasta. May I get
I'm super freaked to eat what's coming up, guys. I've seen this guy's place. This guy's pasta isn't even ready. This guy's thing, and there's only 5 minutes to go. He had a disaster, but let's see how it goes.
May I get an extra bowl? May I get an extra bowl to remove the extra popcorn?
Extra bowl.
I give him raw pasta.
Oh my god, guys, this is being legendary. This guy's being legendary. For amazing videos like this every single Monday to Friday, hit that subscribe, hit that push bell notification, comment down below what you want me to do next. I'm insane and I'll literally do anything you guys want. Hit it down below. Do you want to put some like sauce?
No, wait. I stole some cheese from Ankit, as he doesn't know.
Okay, are you putting the camera? Richard? No. guys, 7 minutes to go. Wait,
I just remove the water and give it to like
with the sauce. Put milk.
How do I remove the water?
Make it, okay, fine.
I want to remove the water.
I found it unfair that I didn't help him after helping his bro. So I'm helping him drain this pasta. So we're going to take the popcorn sieve, put the popcorn in the plate. And then let's just drain the pasta over here because he's running out of time. Pastaglioli! I feel like I'm in Italy right now. Here. Pasta. Why don't you make the milk sauce now that you're telling me about it? We're making a milk sauce.
This is a raw pasta, what is it doing? Ma'am, look at your popcorn, look at this mess. Don't remind me.
Wait.
Still popping. What's this? Popcorn is still popping.
Okay, contestants. 5 minutes to go. Yeah. 5 minutes to go, contestants. 5 minutes to go. Actually, they've really stepped up since, like I can see the plates forming. I'm maybe a bit more excited than when I started. So, while we only have 4 minutes to go, I can see you're almost plates up. So, can you let me know what's going on over here in your plate?
I've made a cheese sandwich.
Okay, let's show everyone. Or you can explain at the end. But like, how do you feel about this competition?
It feels good.
Like, where do you think you stand against your brother, given what you've put on the plate?
I think so I'm the winner over here.
Do you feel like it's almost guaranteed?
Yeah.
Do you have any other message for your brother?
No, he's losing. That's all.
And bro, just as we're 3 minutes 37 seconds left of the competition, your brother says you're losing. He's already got something on the plate. From what I hear, this pasta is raw, and then you want me to lie to the audience that it's not right? I see you as the thing.
No, life is a game. You have to
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
continue the game.
Cigarette. Don't know how good that we would be together yet. $23.
2 minutes to go, contestants. 2 minutes to go.
Trying to see how good a man will drop his knee. But a cigarette kills you slow and it ain't good for you. You only call me when you got that stress in you. Girl, you might regret messing up on me.
I see you've also got a sandwich going as your brother.
yeah.
Things are looking a bit better for you.
Yeah.
But with only 1 minute 30 seconds left on the clock, do you think you'll have enough time to
No
plate
worries,
up?
no worries. Gotcha.
I like this guy's confidence. Love it, love it. Excited to see what they come up with. Okay, contestants, 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go, and then you must step away from the Superias as soon as I say so.
Oh, what you wanted instead of settling for what you need.
30 seconds to go. 30 seconds to go. Contestants, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Contestants, step away from your plate. Step away from your plate. Okay, take both your plates and step forward. Okay, we've just completed the food challenge and both contestants brought their plates.
Yeah.
All I can say is it's judging time. So, you actually got to choose the ingredients, right?
Yes.
So, do you feel like that gave you an advantage in this competition?
Of course.
Yeah.
Look at your plate and look at his plate.
And what do you have to say to counter that?
I'm winning, that's all I know.
Okay, so the battle of the twins is still on,
Yeah.
and we haven't crowned the winner. So, since you chose the ingredient first, I'll be tasting your food.
You
What
must
have you
start-
prepared today?
I've
Explain
prepared
this.
chips with Tabasco sauce, popcorn with chili and salt, and cheese sandwich with noodles.
Now, this looks like it was eaten by my dog and it's spat out. Honestly, I don't know, I've never seen a sandwich like
There
that.
was an overflow of
So,
sauce.
like aesthetically, this looks much more simpler.
Yeah.
Although it doesn't, neither plate looks appetizing. I'd rather eat this than this. But let's see how it
Yes.
tastes, because there's a lot more variety.
May you
here.
start with this first?
Cool. So the
dog shit.
So the dog shit sandwich.
Yeah.
Cool. Should I dip in the noodles?
No.
So this is meant to be eaten on its own.
Like
What can I say? If you haven't done the sauce on top,
Yeah.
a regular old cheese sandwich. Let's taste the popcorn. Next.
Yeah. You try with some Tabasco.
Sure. Not half bad. Like, I mean, I can see like after a couple of doobies, I'm tired eating something like this.
You may try the crisps next
The crisp snacks.
with the Tabasco. If
There
you
was some.
chill.
Oh, I can see, despite the plate looking very soggy, most of the elements retained their original texture. And let me finally taste the noodles, which you
Have
tell me is
some
the
soup with
star. Sure. All in all, I can see myself eating this again.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next, while I swallow, what have you prepared?
I have some pasta, some grilled cheese, and some milk to drink with.
Okay, let's.
Isn't the pasta raw? No, it's
I
good.
don't know. Let's see.
This thing is not cooked.
Right off the bat, I'd rather eat my shoes than eat this pasta
But I
again.
have 15 minutes,
To cook fine. But even that being said, there's no sauce, no
There's
salt.
Tabasco, some.
I'm just sorry to say the pasta, on one hand, is lacking.
Yeah.
But on the other hand, surprisingly, this grilled cheese sandwich is the best thing from everything I've tasted so far.
Thanks.
Perfectly nice and crispy on the bottom.
Yeah.
Cheese is actually melted, unlike this.
Yeah.
If it was just the sandwich on the plate, who knows? Maybe it would have. So the worst and the best things on your plate. Well, let me wash it down with some milk from one of
And
the
just
earlier
have some
challenges.
drink on my plate,
He had the soup.
but that doesn't count as a drink.
Let's see. And yes, nice fresh milk.
Cold milk.
That was straight out of the fridge.
Yeah.
Thank you, gentlemen. Let me give you my decision. The winner of the battle of the cousins, I mean twins, and the one who will get a crown, the other one, an idiot sandwich, and put all the pieces of food on their plate into a blender and blend it into a smoothie for them to drink, is Mr. Amit.
Yeah! Wagwan!
Do you want to do the honors and ask your brother to become an
Yes.
idiot sandwich? To stand here.
Forfeit.
So let us go to the kitchen for the forfeit. Carry your winning dish to be blended into a smoothie for our good friend Amit, Ankit,
Take a L.
L. Soon. So here you go. Get to crown your brother the idiot sandwich.
Who are you? I'm an idiot sandwich.
Who are you?
I'm an idiot
And then
sandwich.
who are you?
I'm an idiot sandwich.
Okay, so let us blend the nasty mystery juice. How do you feel doing this to your brother?
Very good.
Is
It's
this like
exciting.
one of the top 10 moments of your life?
Yeah.
Would you say it was better than the day you were born?
No. The dog shit is going into?
The mystery nasty juice. Why don't you add some milk?
Let me pour some sauce in it.
Let me help you with some milk.
About the times that it could have been. 'Cause you went and settled for what you want instead.
You have to swallow the one sip. Swallow it. Can I ask you one last question before we conclude this segment? Do you think that this nasty juice was better than your brother's dish?
Nah.
Was it that bad?
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, we've had an amazing session. The legendary twin Amit has been crowned today. Until next time, peace.